Hi everyone. You must have had a long day today. Let's have a chat before you go to bed. Were you busy today? I see. What did you do today? How was the weather today? What time did you wake up this morning? What did you eat for lunch? What was the hardest part of your day? That must have been tough. What was the best part of your day then? That's great. I hope tomorrow will be an even better day. What are your plans for tomorrow? If you have some extra time, is there anything you'd like to do? I hope you have a good day tomorrow. Don't work too hard. I'll see you next time. Good night.